guys. Let's get breakfast.
I can't open up the door.
What? Wait, there are notes over here. Your room is locked.
Huh?
Your next clue is in the book. Book?
Book?
What book?
Bookshelf.
Bookshelf. Let's see. Let's start checking books.
Yeah. I'm going to check this one.
Not in there.
There needs to be a clue in one of these books. What if a clue just fell out of one?
Okay.
Yeah. Nope. Take this
Oh,
one.
I found a clue. Guys, I found a clue. It says clue 2 is somewhere small. Small. In here, maybe?
Maybe in here.
I don't think so, since it doesn't look like there's anything in it. Maybe in my slime, even though
I'm just going to look in here.
my slime is...
I'm just going to look in here. Wait, I found a clue.
A clue is scrambled up in there.
Yeah.
We'll be eating breakfast soon.
Yes.
Let's see. Open up. It is somewhere high.
Somewhere high. Yourself.
No, maybe up, maybe on my hat rack. No.
No.
Here's one of my dad's hats he made. Hashtag check out 101 Drone Racer. Anyways, let's get back to escaping.
Somewhere high.
High. Oh, maybe up on my poster.
Yes.
No, I don't feel a clue. Maybe that poster.
Yeah.
Whoa, I almost fell off my bed. I can't reach up there, so it must not be up there. Maybe on the top shelf of my closet. No?
I'm scared because we're locked in my room. Do you think a monster must have locked us in this room?
Maybe.
Or maybe there was a toy master.
Oh yeah, the toy master locked us in our room. We need to find the escape cube.
Escape cube? This one time he did an escape cube?
Yeah. I can't reach up there.
Wow.
I kind of knocked that over, but let's see. Maybe up here, I see a piece of paper.
What does it say?
The escape cube is in your closet. Closet? We're gonna be eating breakfast. Oh, found a Cubs hat. Yeah. Hashtag go Cubs.
Yeah. What's the toilet paper in here?
I don't know.
Nope. We don't need toilet paper.
Oh, I think I found it. I found it.
Yes.
The escape cube and
Let's go and have breakfast.
the door opened. Yes.
This is the end of this video. If you liked it, we're going to have breakfast now. Bye. Hashtag watch my channel.
Her channel is Evie Rules the World.
Yeah.
And also, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And I'm gonna go eat breakfast. Bye.